Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. In his 1958 short story called Murke's Collected Silences, the German author Heinrich Boll writes about a sound engineer named Murke who works in a recording studio. His job is to record talks and speeches by famous people, and as part of that job, he has to edit out the pauses that they take during their talks so that the recording will be tighter and shorter. He saves the recordings of these gaps, these silences, and edits them all together into one long recording of silence. He enjoys listening to it because it's a respite from the noise and the talking that he has to encounter every day in his work life. In our world today, it seems like there's constant noise around us and very few opportunities to enjoy silences. Here are 3 things you can do to incorporate more of them into your life. First, when you're about to take a ride in your car, turn off the radio and electronics for the first 5 minutes of that ride so that you can enjoy that silence, to give your mind and your brain an opportunity to rest from that. Second, before and after each meal, just take 10 to 15 minutes free of electronics and other noise and appreciate that silence. Third, when you are about to get out of bed in the morning or right after you get into bed at night, again, just take 10 to 15 seconds to appreciate the silence around you and create that opportunity. It may be a challenge to incorporate this into your life in the beginning as you get used to it, but I think it will get easier the more times you do it, and you'll find that the collected silences that you begin to accrue in your life have very big benefits. Rise and Whine is weekly, and if you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and share below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.